For 2024, I plan to do much better. I've actually picked out 9 things that I for sure know I need in my wardrobe and that I know I am going to wear. You may think a couple I won't, but trust me, I am. So let's get into it. Welcome and welcome back to the channel. I'm Tequila B with TruLuv Designz, and we're gonna get right into my 2024 Make 9. These are in no particular order as to when or what order I will make them in. These are just the 9 patterns that I randomly selected from my pattern books. This one is a charm pattern by Gertie, and it's the Francie top. And this one would be a great essential for winter right now. And I really like it because it's kind of oversized, not really fitted, but you could wear it in a dress. You could make this into a dress or wear it as a tunic or a top or whatever. Just, you know, multiple options. So this will be made this year. The next pattern is McCalls M8339. And I really like this pattern because it's great for like a date night or maybe like a Christmas Eve party or something like that. Anniversary dress, birthday dress. Who knows? You might see this pretty soon, but it's pretty simple according to the notions and things on the back of the pattern. So this should be a fairly easy make. Next one is McCalls M7606. Now, I am switching this one out for Simplicity 8513, which was on my Make 9 2023 challenge. I just feel like this pattern will be a little more attainable, and I love bodysuits and I need more of them. So this will definitely be made. The next one is Me ME2046. And I like view AC here, this green one. It's like the perfect length for a shirt that I've been wanting in my wardrobe. You can pair this with some tights, a nice even hemmed skirt. This is just cute to me. And I did pass this pattern up on one sale and I caught it on the next one. The next pattern is a pattern that I was on the hunt for a while, and I finally got my hands on it. And it's a Mimi G style for Simplicity pattern 8466. Rochelle of Rochelle Handmade Designs made this top, and I don't know if she used the same skirt pattern, but the combo of the two were beautiful. And I especially love the top that she made, and I knew I had to make me one as well. So that's when I went on a hunt for this pattern. And this looks like it's made like in a sweater, sweater knit material, because it does have a turtleneck on it. And I love turtlenecks, so this one would be great for my wardrobe. The next pattern is McCalls M7599. This is a vintage pattern. And it looks fairly easy to make. It doesn't have too many notions or things, you know, that you'll need for the pattern, but it does call for a hook and eye, which if you watched my video on the anniversary dress, I had a little trouble with that hook and eye. So hopefully I can nail it with this garment, and I'm not going to let that stop me because I'll throw a snap in here or whatever I need to form a closure on this dress, but this dress will be made. The next pattern is Simplicity 8218. It's an easy to sew pattern, and I like views A and B. A is the longer view and B is the shorter. It's a nice fleece jacket or coat, however thick you want to make it, whatever material you want to use for it. It calls for like minky fleece and materials like that. I did have a coat pattern on my last Make 9 challenge, which I didn't get around to, but I think this one will be more of what I'm looking for because it has pockets on it, and I know I could just add pockets on that other coat, but I'm not trying to play with any patterns right now. Since I haven't made a coat before, I want to just follow the instructions and make it as is. The next pattern on the list is McCalls M7168. It is a Mrs. swimsuit pattern, and this is on the vintage style. And I am going to start making this early because I want to have it ready for summer. And I'm actually trying to implement sewing summer things in the wintertime and winter things in the summertime so that I'm prepared for the time that I want to wear them. I feel like that's why I don't get enough wear out of my makes, is because I'm trying to make them and wear them all in the same season instead of preparing for the upcoming season. If you hear that coughing in the background, that's my daughter. She has a little cold. And if anybody is in Texas, you know the weather has been wildly warm and wildly cold all in the same day. And it is just making everybody sick. They're popping firecrackers right now. This is New Year's Eve when I'm recording this, and they are driving Kane up a wall. He's barking at everything and running to everything. It's okay. Kane, it's okay. But yeah, so the extreme cold and extreme hot days are kind of just killing everybody around here. Final pattern on my Make 9 list is McCalls M8421. This is a knit scrubs pattern, and oh my god, when I found this pattern, like, I was so ecstatic. I love scrubs, but I don't like the boxy fit of most scrubs. I'd seen nurses where I work in the knit scrubs, so I knew they were trending and in style. So it's really something that I am looking forward to making. Some days I don't really feel like dressing up as much to say. So, you know, we can wear our business casual or scrubs. So I want to get some scrubs, at least scrub pants, because then I can always wear that with any kind of top. But I want to get some scrub pants into my wardrobe, and I think I'll be a happy camper. We're going to keep a close watch on this Make 9 and keep up with the progress of this throughout the year, because this year my goal is to complete the Make 9 2024 challenge if the Lord says the same. So I hope to see you in the next video. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. Hit that like button and leave me a comment below. Until next time, keep sewing.